How to add pop-up message in Wix Studio. So if you want to add a pop-up message, let's head over and click onto this plus icon. Now, once you have clicked on that, it should be able to open in here these elements. So what you can do is you can just head over and then click onto the search bar and search in here for light boxes. So alternatively, you can also just go to layout tools and find light boxes right there. So you can just choose in here what kind of design you would want. It can be a pop-up message like a box. It can be just like this pop-up. Or if you want an image, you can add this or in this case, or any image that you want for this. So for example, I'll just choose in here this banner type and then just drag it into my actual page. You can also just click it and it will automatically be added right there. So once it's been added, you can head over and then edit it to your liking. So we have in here this. Click on it right here. And then you can actually change in here what it says as well as what this button will be redirected into as well as the color of the banner for this. So that's how you add a pop-up message in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.